Hi guys, it's Kim. I wanted to put together a video because our physicians are soon going to start e-prescribing all non-narcotic prescriptions from the ED. What that means is they will electronically send the script to whatever pharmacy the patient wants. This does not include narcotics at this point, but starting November, they will be doing this. Dr. Burns has been trialing and it's been going well. Just a few questions right off the bat. If we send a prescription to the wrong pharmacy, the pharmacies can transfer them in between each other. So that's not a big stress on our part. The patient just needs to call the receiving pharmacy, or obviously they're probably standing at the wrong pharmacy, and tell them, and they can transfer it amongst each other. So what we as nurses need to do is, there's a bunch of ways to do this, but I'll show you the easiest way. You're going to go in and find a patient that you're taking care of. You're going to go to the summary tab, and just like as if you were doing their med rec, it brings up that same screen. You're going to go to their pharmacy. This patient has already had a pharmacy listed. If the patient has been admitted to the hospital within the last year, they'll already have a pharmacy listed. You just need to verify with them that it's their preferred pharmacy. And you'll see this here, how it says preferred. For instance, if it wasn't their preferred pharmacy, or if, say, you knew the pharmacy that they wanted was closed, you would go to new and type in pharmacy, or go to where it says pharmacy. Couple things. If you want Walmart or Walgreens, I recommend you just type Wal, because Walmart is actually not one word. And then you hit save. It is defaulted to bring up every Walmart or Wal, whatever, any pharmacy in the state of Idaho. If you wanted, you could switch and say they want the one in Post Falls. For your information, the Walmart on 95 is listed as Hayden, not as Coeur d'Alene. And then hit search. So you notice that there's two different Walmarts in Post Falls. You need to make sure that you click either the one on Mullen or the one on Point Parkway. And then down here, you'll see all the information for the pharmacy and accepts ERX. It has to say yes. There's, I think, only like 2 pharmacies, they said, in the state of Idaho that don't. VA does not accept prescriptions, and you know, if there's some very small mom and pop pharmacy somewhere, they might not either. Once you decide which pharmacy you like, you just click on it and hit OK, and it'll bring it up in their list. Now you do need to make sure, this screen here where it says preferred, you need to make sure that it's clicked to which one they want filled today. The process is the same if the patient has never had a pharmacy listed. You just go into pharmacy, or you go into summary, go into patient pharmacy and see how there's nothing there. You type in, we'll say this guy wants Rite Aid. So you hit save. It brings up all the Rite Aids in Idaho. And maybe that's what they want. Maybe the patient's here visiting. We know that happens. We'll say this patient wants the one in the Prairie Shopping Center. And yes, it accepts ERX. So we hit OK. And then we need to make sure that we hit the preferred, that it's their preferred pharmacy. And that's it. It's a very easy process. I encourage you to start playing with it now. So when it goes live, you're very familiar with it. It doesn't hurt anything to put them in on all the patients now. And if you have any questions, our pharmacists that work here in our department are aces at this because they've been doing it for a while. So you can always ask them questions, and I'd be happy to research answers to questions if you need it. Hope you have a good day.